2020 Hyundai Kona, all-new Hyundai Kona 2020 competitors, Toyota CHR, Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-3, and more. Hyundai Kona price in USA, $19,990 USD. Hyundai Kona price in India, 25.3 lakh rupees. 2020 Kona highlights: bold, fresh design elements with optional color contrasting roof and extroverted color options, LED headlight, taillight and daytime running light illumination, signature 2.0-liter Atkinson Cycle 4-cylinder engine with 6-speed automatic transmission, standard floating touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, available 1.6-liter turbocharged, direct-injected engine with 7-speed DCT. Hyundai Smart Sense HSS, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, driver attention warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic collision warning, high beam assist, premium technology, availability, 8-inch navigation system, standard Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, next generation Blue Link heads-up display, with active pop-up display screen, rain sensing wipers, wireless device charging. Kona offers a pair of fuel-efficient drivetrains and a stylish, roomy interior. A whole host of advanced safety features are also available, including a lane keeping assist system, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic collision warning, lane change assist, parking distance warning and forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection. Modern design enhanced by LED lighting. Signature Kona employs refined aesthetics with sculpted body forms and sporty contours for an athletic, bold, and striking appearance. Its distinctive design is reinforced by the car's voluminous, aggressive body styling that emphasizes its well-proportioned, dynamic silhouette. A low and wide stance complements its profile, with a long wheelbase and short overhangs, ensuring sporty, nimble handling, in addition to delivering superior driving stability at highway speeds. Its masculine, protective armor combines powerfully with the futuristic LED lighting to create a high-tech look. Kona's front view conveys a powerful presence, as its armor shows readiness for adventuresome activities. It incorporates Hyundai's new family identity, the cascading grille, featuring a sporty mesh pattern, flanked by flared, wing-like fenders that dominate the front visage. It's further enhanced by a separated headlight design, with high-efficiency LED headlights and LED daytime running lights (DRLs). The visual relationship between the composite lamps, Hyundai's signature cascading grille and unique armor design results in a distinctive crossover character. Spacious, comfortable interior. The unique features of the exterior continue inside with a strong horizontal character line, creating a wide and spacious feel. Even with its compact dimensions and low roof line, the Kona delivers outstanding interior roominess, especially in front headroom. The sleek and simple layout interior contrasts with the bold, adventurous exterior design. The audio navigation display incorporates advanced infotainment features, and the standard floating 7-inch touchscreen includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability. The floating display design adds further to the occupant's sense of interior openness. Further, HVAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls are surrounded by soft, fluid details that contribute to a sensuous experience and enhance the comfort-focused environment. All-new CUV platform. The all-new Kona compact platform has been developed to provide customers with true CUV capabilities, CUV-level ground clearance and an elevated, command seating position to ensure better visibility and comfort on long journeys, as well as easy ingress and egress. Kona offers occupants generous interior space by optimizing the underfloor layout, including the AWD drivetrain and exhaust system, to reduce central tunnel intrusion on interior space. The optional AWD system and drivetrain is intelligently packaged to offer a spacious interior despite its compact exterior dimensions. Kona also benefits from strategic use of structural adhesives at high stress points on the chassis and extensive use of hot stamping methods for greater rigidity. Powerful and efficient powertrains. Kona powertrain offerings have top efficiency levels as a primary target. Kona is offered with a choice of 2 gasoline powertrains. A 2.0-liter 4-cylinder Atkinson engine produces 147 horsepower at 6,200 revolutions per minute and 132 lb-ft of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Atkinson Cycle design maximizes the effective cylinder expansion ratio, compression stroke versus power stroke, for greater efficiency. The 6-speed automatic offers SHIFTRONIC manual shifting mode and includes an overdrive lockup torque converter for higher fuel economy at highway speeds. Powertrain NVH has been reduced further through hydraulic transmission mounts.